The first thing is go to canva.com. You can able to see the interface of Canva. Latest changes, these icons have been added. Before there would be only just a banner, but now they have changed it to a interaction icons where you can able to see for you presentations like presentation, video presentation, education presentation, mobile presentation, and multiple themes and presentation themes will be available here. Next thing is social media, from Instagram post to the social media cover, and the social media templates will be available here. Video, likewise, the main name mentioned like videos like Facebook video, video message, and such templates will be available here. Like the print product like Fire, like poster, postcard, certificate are available in this icon. After marketing, you can go to poster, logo, flyer, themes available here. Next thing is office. Office you can get, see, you can see about resume, A4 document, report, planner, all themes will be available here. If you press this more, you can see also creation of infographics, photo collage, desktop wallpapers. This infographic, some things have been added, updated recently in Canva. It's in an interactive way. Also, you can see that custom size button is available here. Before in the old Canva, it will be, I think it will be in this place where it see all is present. Now you can able to change the custom size by clicking this with height, and you can go for what pixel or inches or mm or centimeter. From this document you can also see that what will be the size of the document from that, like if I go to there and see that what is the width and height of that theme will be available here. Like zoom virtual background theme can be created using this size, and you can able to create new design from the custom size. In 2021 it has been updated. Before it looks like this, you go to it element and click on this icon, you can able to get this as, but you can't able to change it automatically. Like you can change it flip or something like horizontal or vertical alone. But now is chart is available in elements. You go to elements and type charts. You can find the charts bar for different chart bars, free versions available here. Like you can select one and see, you can see the progress ring here, and you also change the percentage of which you like to change, have percentage here, and also the line height of that ring also can be changed here. And then you can also display the percentage label. I see 43%, which is mentioned in this percentage. It will automatically change as you change the percentage. And also the endpoints can be changed here, like flat or curve one endpoint can be updated here. Also you can change the progress ring is displayed now. If you like to change it to a progress bar, you can able to easily change it to a progress bar like this. And then you can go other option like radial progressing. Like see, you can able to change the percentage here, and also progress dial. Like you can able to change the line height also percentage. Like see, you can automatically change the percentage. The dial will be moved around. Also the line height can be changed here. You also update in the same format. Likewise, you can able to change other options which is available here. Like you can able to change this item here. You can able to change the name of the item. Likewise, line 2 to blog, line 3 to affiliate, like 4 to amount. Likewise, you can able to see it's automatically changed here. If you double click the chart, you can able to edit that content of the chart. Like if you go and edit this to 24, it will be edited here. It will be automatically updated here. Likewise, you can able to change that chart like from row format to bar chart. It will automatically change, and you can next go to stacked bar chart. See what the content has been changing as per our content which is available here. The next is row chart, stacked row chart. Next one is line chart and the area chart, scatter chart. The next two popular chart like pie chart. So it is automatically creating, and then donut chart. So you can able to easily create as per your design and the content which is available, and drag down is this if you like to showcase your data to your client or other. So these are the updates which is happened in 2021 on Canva. The first update which we are going to see is curve. If you create a text here, and if you like to do a curve for the text, like if I like to use this text and let ungroup it, and I like to do a curve of this text, go to this effect, and there is a new option for curve as per your requirement. You can able to change that of the text. This new update came from Canva 2021. And the second update which you're going to see is lines. See, the lines will be used in different format as per your requirement, like filling a form or getting a PDF file. If you go to this element and drag on a line, from the lines, if you like to go and add, there are updation like weight. You can able to change the weight of the line, and you can change the style of the line, and also line start and line end. Weight can be changed here, like we can able to move around and change the line weight. See how the line has been updating here. The same, you can able to change the style of that line, like straight line. This curved at the end, you can able to see the curve at the end. Likewise, you can able to update it curve like that, and you can able to drag it down where you need the line. You can also change the line height. You can able to change the line height and drag down where you need that line. And also you can also style it like this, dashed one and dotted one. So you can able to create a easy line style here. And also you can able to line start. See, line start will be there. If you come to this and apply line start and go to this start one which you like in it, see how easily you can able to update. And line end, see how easily you can able to create a decorations in the start and end of the lines. Likewise, you can able to explore through this line weight and line style and line start and line end in your designs. Hi, welcome to Fresh Educate. In this video, we are going to learn about new updates in Canva 2021. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get videos like this. Come to canva.com, you will see this interface of Canva. Are you going to see about download talking presentation? If you go to this presentation, you could see what are the templates available for presentation, like normal presentation, talking presentation, and the education presentation, and mobile first presentation. Now you're going to see about talking presentation. If you click this presentation, it will come to this presentation template where you can able to select a presentation from predefined template. That the option, if you click these three button, you can able to see present, download, present and record your presentation and share link. This present and record option has been available now in Canva 2021. Like if you go and see that how to make a video presentation, add a recording to your Canva presentation in 3 steps. What are steps? Lights, camera, record. While we are maybe limited in the way we teach, conduct workshops or train people for a new skill, the show can truly go on with video presentation. Likewise, which you go, step 1 is make your Canva presentation from the predefined template. You can able to make your Canva presentation and then choose a template you like, fill it up with the information you want to share with your target audience. Next, head on to the recording studio, and on the top of the right corner of the editor, click on present and record. Next, click on go to recording studio. And then if you can't find present and record, click on the 3-dot menu on the top right corner of the editor, which I showed earlier. Next, click on present and record under the recommended menu. Start recording. Set up our camera and microphone. Once you are ready, click on start recording. Get recording to record in 3 seconds. Tip, you can able to click pause, click resume, click end recording once you are done. How was it like recording the Canva presentation? You can go to this present and record. You can able to see that as mentioned, there will be go to record studio. If you press this, you can able to get the option of recording yourself using it, like setup camera and microphone. I have not give access to Canva to record my camera and microphone. If you have given access to Canva, it will be able to access your camera and microphone, and presentation can be easily done using this option. The next thing which we're going to see is shadows and frames. Let me design, select a template from this interface that I use this template Instagram post. We're going to apply shadows and frame for the images, which is the latest update in Canva 2021. But add your photos from these photos. Frames first. Let me select this photo from the images. Let's go to this effects. You can able to see bunch of options here. Now go to this and you can able to see shadows and frames. If you can't able to see this option above, if you scroll through, you can able to see, you may also like in there, you can able to see shadows and frames. Once you connect, it will be available at the top. So you're going to see frames, see all. You can able to see what are the frames which you can add for the images which you like to add for your design. Like if I like to add a phone to this image, let me select this frame. Now see how the frame has been applied to this image. Likewise, if I like to add this gold circle, see how that circle as frame has been applied to that image. You can able to apply through and have that download from this option. Next, we're going to see about shadows from this. I'll go to these photos. Let me add this YouTube icon here. Go to the effects. Let me add that sometimes it is showing we having trouble frames. Check your connection. It is available here. If you go here and see shadows, it will be available here. Press see all. You can able to see what are the shadows which you can apply for your designs. You can see what are the options which you can able to apply for this design. Like if you go for glow, it has been updating here. Likewise, if you go for drop, angle, black drop, like this page lift, and then curve, such shadows can be applied for your designs. If you like, you can able to apply it and then go to this other download option which is available here. The next thing which we going to explore is smart markups, which also available here, recently update in Canva 2021. Like if you like to apply smart markup, first input your images or upload your images from your PC or other storage device here. I like to use that photos which is available already. So like you need to select the photo which you like to apply the smart markup. Then you come to this effects and already you can able to see smart markups. If you can't able to see smart markup, you can able to see down from here. A smart markup will be available here. You need to connect here, or you can able to go to canva.com/app. From there, smart markup you can able to select and apply for any designs. If you go to smart markups, if you click the see all, you can able to see all the smart markups like popular one smartphones and then other computers which is available in cards and other books and clothing. Everything smart markups is available here. This is recently updated in Canva. Like if I like to add here desktop 7 here, let me add here and add selected from the smart markups. Now you can able to see the magic from Canva. See your design here and the image has been updated in the smart markups your design area. So you can able to see how easily the smart markup has been created from scratch using Canva. So you can also explore through these smart markups which is usable for you to create any startup for your client or showcase the book cover to your for your usage. You can able to easily download using this smart markup. The next thing is which you going to explore is improve color styles in Canva. So go to this canva.com. I like to use the image which is already here, like I am seeing this one. You can able to change the color and style font of the design using style option from the more option which is available in Canva. So you can able to go to this more option and you can able to see there is styles. In the previous video in part 2 you could have explored the option chat. Now you can able to select the style here which is available here styles. So you can able to see all. If I change this, you can able to see that the design has been changing as per the selection of the style from there. See how easily the style has updated. So you can also shuffle through the colors here. Like first it will be one color, next it will go to the another color, which is 5 colors, 6 colors which is available here. It will automatically shuffle through this color which is selected from this style option. So you can easily able to design through some colors using the font icons also. Likewise, if you like to change only the color of that template, go to the color and select through this list of colors. From here, you can able to select any color. Like if you go for business pitch, see how quickly it has been changing the color from here. Likewise, if you go to the font, you can able to change through the font also. Like if I like to add this font, the font will be automatically changed as per our selection. See, the font has been changed. Likewise, I like to add some other font, it will be changed. The improved color styles option has been updated recently in Canva 2021. These are the options which have been updated in this March 2021. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks. Hey guys, welcome to Fresh Educate. In this video, you're going to see the latest update in Canva 2021 for the month of April. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press that bell icon to get videos like this. Let's get into the video. The first thing you can able to create a meme using Canva. Create a blank meme. We will provide the links in the description. You can able to get through that memes and other pages which is showing in this videos. And then you go to this create a blank meme. You go to this page where you can see the templates available to create meme from here. Let's go scroll through and see what are the memes available. Some are pro version and some for free version. Like see, if you see in this picture, it says remove watermark. It can be used only in pro version. In that case, you can able to remove this image and upload a image from unsplash.com or pexel.com, and you can able to create a new meme from this text, which is you in this you will can edit the text from here. The only the picture is in watermark, so you can delete it and you can get from the images which you like to present and produce meme for your um, followers and social media. You can able to share through this option. From go to these three dots and go and share to Instagram, Facebook and other social media from here. From creating a meme from Canva 2021. The next thing is doing presentation. We have already provided you a video on doing presentation using Canva. If you've not seen that video yet, we will provide it on description or provide it on the card above. Then if you go and present a video, you now can engage through your audience. Like go to the present and see that present button. If you press this you can able to see bubble now. And then if you go for Q, quite icon is available here. Next thing, if you go for D, drums will be available. Likewise, you can able to engage with your audience. Likewise, if you go for C, it go for celebration. Like you can able to explore through shortcuts from Canva during presentation. If you go for 1, it could show the timer. 2 for 2 minutes, 3 for 1 to 9, you can able to get the timer from Canva presentation. Likewise, if you go for blur B, it will make blur option. Then if you click the B, it will go for. Likewise, you can able to make shortcuts and make engage through your presentation from Canva 2021. You can also able to do presentation and you can make presentation and go and do they click this 3 icon. Now you can able to see that PowerPoint also can be like shared through website or Microsoft PowerPoint also. You can able to download from this Canva option. Likewise, the next thing which you can able to create multi-page Instagram post using Canva. Like if you like to go with the colors, if you can able to explore through the color option here. If you see here, you can see free and pro versions are available for your creativity purpose. You can get through this multi-page Instagram post and update your content like after or before post, and scroll through like Instagram post. You can able to see, let's discuss and what are the creative content. If you can able to do, you can be able to do from this multi-page Instagram post. Likewise, you can able to create new memes and presentation in a engaging manner and create a multi-page Instagram post from Canva 2021 latest update in April month. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and press that bell icon to get videos like this. And thanks.